Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful container house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 40 feet shipping container. The total area I have taken is the length is 40 feet in meter 12 meter and the width is 8 feet in meter 2.43 meter. In the front we have sliding door here. After that we will go inside. So we have living plus kitchen area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, TV unit on the front wall, and we have kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we will go on right side. So we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. And if we go on the left side, so we have 3 feet wide passage here, and on the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet with wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And if we go inside, so we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement, and also a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house designs, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.